So for week 1, we have concentrated on setting up the mixed reality headset, the mapping of our workspace using the mixed reality portal, and configuring our headset with the Unity Integrated Developer environment. So after we have set up our device using the Windows mixed reality portal, then we can move forward with the integration of our device with Unity. So for Unity, we have to make sure that our project build settings is set to Universal Windows Platform or UWP, and under the player settings, if I just stop this player, yeah, under player settings, under Acer tab, the virtual reality supported should be checked in. So if these two are done, we are ready for the development with our Acer headset. So basically, before click on the run button, just make sure that your device is connected, and in the Windows Mixed Reality portal, it should show this ready sign. So once I click on run, it will take some time to activate, and then this screen will go away. And yes, so if you just read this with the headset now, then you'll be able to see the same screen as we are able to see in the screen recording. The same screen will be visible in the headset, and if we just toggle it around, might be you'll be able to see the other scenes also. So basically, if you move the device and like face it elsewhere, it will be reflected. Let's remove this thing because it forces us to use the desktop. I mean the headset. So the integration is very simple. There is nothing much complicated involved. So that's all about.